to the channel, Mississippi Girl Life. So y'all, I'm about to go in this place. We used to have a Piggly Wiggly. We had to. Recently, the last Piggly Wiggly that we had in my town, my county, I'll say my town, here in Jacksonville, NC, they closed it down and they moved part of it. That particular Piggly Wiggly had a bulk food item area, okay, like a restaurant warehouse in the back that you can buy big pots, big pans, big things of seasonings, food, and all that good stuff. So when they closed it, I recently found out that they moved the bulk food area over here, which is right down my alley, because I never was really into the bulk food stuff, but I am now part of preparing. Okay, a good way to stock up on items and stuff like that, to put in your prepper's pantry. So I'm gonna go in here and look around and see what they got, and I'm gonna bring y'all with me. It's just to give y'all ideas of what may be in your area. There may be things in your area that you don't have no idea is there that will literally help you out with your preps. So let's go ahead and go in here together and see what they got. So we are in here. Like I said, I've never been in here before. Never. I'm just looking. Nashville hot chicken sauce.
This is for you guys. Every time I get a scanner, it'll be on your address. I get a scanner for my address.
So it's got stuff like laying out and whatnot. I hear music, so hopefully I don't pick it up too much. But I guess when they're saying, oh, I used to buy this because I used to sell snowballs. So they got all the things. Just bring back memories. These are the exact same ones I used to buy when I did the snowballs. So let's go over here. So it's Piggly Wiggly and bulk food, I'm guessing, because I see stuff over here that's not like bulk. And then they have a little bit of produce, but they have like beef patties and stuff like that. So they have like the Franks. So I guess that's like the bulk. So we won't be stocking up on that too much for as the pantry. I'm looking for shelf-stable stuff, okay? Cook and serve. Biscuits and sausage casings. Pork seasoning, pork sausage seasoning. Alright, so I hear the music right there, so hopefully I don't get it. Hopefully I don't get it. I hope I can keep talking and interrupt it some so it don't. So yeah, so let me find where that's my song, by the way, though. Let me see, because this is where I would get, well, when it was at the other Piggly Wiggly, I would get a lot of my concession stand stuff, because I do have my permit for a concession stand. Zoning permit and all, so at any given time I can go straight into setting up at flea markets and stuff. I haven't done it in a couple years, but my permit don't expire, so unless I change addresses. So I haven't moved, so that's a plus right there. Hey, alright, so this is some of the bulk food items. Stuff like this. Okay, down here they have the big cans of, so this like restaurant style, you know, restaurant style stuff. I wouldn't need nothing this big at one time, you know. So let's see, yeah, more of the snow cone stuff. Yeah, these is more like they big cans, you know, because you got to think about this. If you have to open something like this, the can so big, that would be, well, 5 people in my house, we would eat that in one day, you know. So yeah, I have to think about that. There's 5 people in my house, so if I open a big can, we would eat that in one day. We could easily eat that in one day. So I see right here they got tropical fruit cocktail mix. Well, yeah. And it's got bananas and look like papaya and stuff in that. $15.99 for a big can. But I ain't trying to open $15 open one can that'll be gone Because you gotta look at what if you can't, what's the word? You can't refrigerate anything. So I would want the cans to be smaller than some of these. These are huge cans. But if you have more than 5 in your house, this may be something you look into. See, now these right here are $10. And y'all know I love my boiled peanuts now. Love my boiled peanuts. They have these. I used to sell these. Well, I used to sell peanuts part of my concession. They got zucchini and tomatoes. Yeah, so this is how it looks. So some of you, it may work for you if you have a bigger amount of people in your house. So check out like the restaurant. Now see something like this, $20 complete mashed potatoes. Which potato? What would be the expiration on this? I'm looking for expiration date. I don't see no expiration date. Of course, you will have to put them in jars or something. But that's $20. You know, so cherry pie filling, diced pears, all that good stuff. And you got raffle tickets for that stuff, concessions and stuff. Candy apple magic, like your candy apples and like that. Okay, so not too much, only because the items are too big, you know. Let me go down this way and see. This is more of the cotton candy, not cotton candy, the snowball type stuff and all that. Now this would be something. Is this the rice? Yeah. See, now that's $45.99. See, stuff like that, even if you can't get the canned stuff like that, that is see, 25 pounds of beans. That's beans original. That's probably why it's a little bit more, because it's Uncle Ben's rice. But that's a lot of rice. What is this? Biscuit mix, $48.99. So yeah, look at stuff like that. Instant yeast. So you can get that stuff and you can break it down, you can vacuum seal it, all that good stuff. What is this? Self-rising flour, $20 for that big old thing of flour. Now think about, in the stores, it's running about $6 for a big 5 pound. This is a 25 pound for $20. So chicken breader, all that type of stuff. You gotta look at some stuff you'll be able to get, some stuff won't be useful to you, but definitely worth going into any stores and stuff like that. Because like I say, you can get it home and you can break it down and you'll have a lot. Okay, so this is all utensils I've gotten when they was at the Piggly Wiggly. Before they moved, I've gotten a lot of utensils. Oh, eventually. That's why I needed the oil and vinegar thing. Eventually. Let me see if they got the actual bottle ones in here. Nope. But definitely I'll consider, right, let me see if it's different types of rice. See, they got the sugar, $20.99 for the cane sugar. I didn't pay attention to that. $45 for them. That's a 50-pound bag. Gluten-free, $20.99. Then they got that one for $7.99. Plain. So yeah. There's another place that I may get rice from eventually. Let's see. You look at little things like this. That's 10 for $2.69. You may be able to get Advil and stuff from the Dollar Tree. I don't know how much it is for $1.25, but yeah. So keep your eyes all open on a lot of little things, okay, y'all? On a lot of little things. You can get your gloves from here. Well, from if you got places like this in your area. So just coming back into like the kind of the Piggly Wiggly grocery part. They do have food, regular food, but not too much. They done scaled down a lot when it comes to the actual store, because it's mainly stay on the outside bulk food. So my corn storage, and we go ahead and go past that because I don't need no corn storage. So let's see. Yeah, I have been looking at this. Let me look and see something. That don't look too appealing. But dried beef, I want to know the expiration date. Let's see. Used by October 15th, 2025. So that'll be something good to have, just to have a meat source. And you'll rotate that as much as possible. So, yeah. Silk almond milk, $2.99. That's just in here though, but it's shelf-stable. So those are things you wanna make sure you're looking at, you know. Yeah. Then the bulk seasonings. But you can get them from Ollie's a little cheaper. These is not bad. They're $1.99. They're a little cheaper at Ollie's though. Alright, y'all, I forgot I did not end this video. It is the same day, but I've been outside doing garden work, all that good stuff. And then I ended up having to go inside, take a shower and all that. So I am in different clothes or whatnot. So I forgot that I did not end out this video. And then we was about to head out to run an errand. So I said, let me go ahead and finish it. So yeah, y'all, make sure y'all check around in your area looking for little gems where you can get things to stock up on to help with your preppers pantry. Everybody preppers pantry, emergency pantry, whatever you want to call it, is going to look different, okay? Everybody to eat different, has different requirements that they need to follow. Their household size is different, all that, but you got to see, look, you got to be like, you know, looking everywhere up how it is, trying to figure out what it is that you can get to that's self-stable and you're able to put in your pantry. So that's what I wanted to show you. I had never been inside that store, and that one, since it moved as a regular Piggly Wiggly and then had the warehouse in the back, when they did this setup, I'd never been inside that store. So I see onesie and twosies that I can go there and get. Nothing major. All right, so yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed. Comment below, let me know if you got any little hidden gem places in your area. And yeah, so let's continue to prep up, y'all. Stock up and get what we can get. All right, I'll see y'all in the next one if it's God's will. Mwah. Bye.